my God.
Pushing 385 horsepower through the front end. Now, Dave's past spins were considered the most dangerous of all possible plane conditions a pilot could experience. Let's watch now as Ralph masters not one, but 3 different types of spins. Single vertical down line. First to win the inverted flat spin.
It's a weird looking
the inverted flat spin. Ralph will quickly transition into the knife edge spin. There's the knife edge spin, and finally we'll finish up with the upright flat spin. A triple spin combination with Ralph Holland. Now we'll wish that you listen to the music and watch as Ralph proceeds. One thing Ralph prides himself on is entering and exiting every single tumble in precise fashion.